Good day everyone, I am Shamina S. Hambali. We will discuss the challenges of security auditing and compliance. In today's digital age, cybersecurity is more important than ever. Schools, just like a business, need to protect sensitive data, such as student records, grades, and personal information. But maintaining security isn't easy. In this video, we will discuss the challenges of security auditing and compliance, how cyber threats are evolving, and the best practices to stay protected. So, what is security auditing and compliance? Security auditing is the process of checking if an organization follows properly cybersecurity measures to protect data. Compliance means following laws and regulations that ensure data security and privacy. School must comply with laws like the Data Privacy Act or FERPA, Family Educational Rights and Privacy Act, to protect students' information. Example, imagine if a school database is hacked and student grades are leaked online. If the school did not follow proper security measures, it could face legal consequences and lose students' trust. So the next is common challenges in maintaining compliance. Schools face many challenges when trying to stay secure online. Some of these include lack of awareness. Many students and teachers don't know how to recognize online threats such as phishing scams. Weak passwords. Using simple passwords like 12345 make it easier for hackers to access school systems. Outdated software. Some schools still use old computers and outdated security programs, making them vulnerable to attacks. Unsecure public Wi-Fi. Students and staff using public Wi-Fi without protection can expose school data to cybercriminals. Human errors. Accidentally sharing sensitive information or clicking on dangerous links can put school security at risk. Involving cybersecurity threats and new regulations. Cyber threats are constantly changing and schools must stay updated. Some of the most common cyber threats today include phishing attacks, fake emails pretending to be from teachers or school administrators trick students into giving away passwords. Ransomware attacks, hackers lock school files and demand payment to restore access. Cloud security risks. Many schools use online platforms for learning, but weak security can expose student information. And the last, regulatory changes. New laws require schools to take extra precaution to protect students and data and privacy. Best practices for staying compliant and secure. Some of these include use strong passwords. Encourage students and staff to create complex passwords and change them regularly. Next, educate students and teachers. Hold cybersecurity awareness sessions to teach safe online habits. Update security software. Ensure that computers and online systems have the latest security updates. Enable multi-factor authentication, or MFA. Adding an extra security step when logging it makes it harder for hackers to access an account. So the last is conduct regular security audits. Schools should check their cybersecurity measures regularly to find and fix weaknesses. So this is the real-life example. Meet one a high school student who received an email that looked like it came from his school, asking him to enter his login details without thinking. Juan entered his password, only to realize later this account was hacked. His teacher explained that this was a phishing scam and learned to always verify emails before clicking on links. Be like Juan, stay aware and stay safe. So, security auditing and compliance are essentially for keeping schools safe in the digital world. By following simple cybersecurity best practices, students, teachers, and staff can protect sensitive information and prevent cyber threats. Let's all work together to make our school a safer place. Online, stay smart and stay safe. And that's all. Thank you.